Hi students and friends, welcome to the channel Learn and Teach by Ayaz. Let's see the summary of the last lesson. Graphite is used as a lubricant. It is due to layers in graphite or weak forces between layers, and layer can slide or slip. Graphite is used in electrodes in electrolysis. This is because it contains free or mobile electrons. Diamond is very hard and it is used in cutting tools. This is due to the need to break very strong covalent bonds. You can even write contain many covalent bonds. This is the learning outcome of this lesson. Describe the similarity in properties between diamond and silicon 4 oxide related to their structure. First, I will draw the structure of silicon 4 oxide. Recall the structure of diamond. Now what you have to do, just simply place oxygen atom between two sulfur. So this is oxygen atom. The black dots are sulfur atom, silicon atom. Notice that each silicon atom is bridged to its neighbors by an oxygen atom. Don't forget, this is just a tiny part of a giant structure extending on all three dimensions. This one, small part of a big structure. If you look at the structure of silicon 4 oxide, then you will see that it resembles diamond, which means it's also tetrahedral. This also suggests similarities between diamond and silicon 4 oxide in terms of some properties, which I'm going to write in the next slide. So first of all, I will write structure of silicon 4 oxide resembles diamond. That is, it's also tetrahedral. Properties of silicon 4 oxide. It has a high melting point, just like diamond. It has high melting point. The reason, it contains many or strong covalent bonds, because it contains many or strong covalent bonds. It needs a lot of energy to break the bonds. Lot of energy to break the bond. It has hard structure. The reason is same as the one I have explained for high melting point. It has hard structure. It does not conduct electricity. It does not conduct electricity. Again, it is just like diamond, so we can write that mobile or free electrons are absent because mobile or free electrons are absent. Thanks for watching. Press like, give comments and share my video. For more videos, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.